Hey friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Salwa's Delicious Kitchen. I'm here today with a very gorgeous drink, not only gorgeous in looks but filled with so much love and sweetness that it is called as Mohabbat Sharbat, that is love drink. Yes, you're right, you heard it right. This is a sharbat or a summer drink very popular in Old Delhi, opposite to Jama Masjid where it got its name, and this is the drink what you are really looking for. This would be your best one in Iftar or a normal summer day. I really want you guys to try this because you will surely fall in love with, as I usually say for all my recipes, but then this recipe, as its name itself says, Mohabbat Ka Sharbat, you really got to try this right now, and I mean right today for today's Iftar, and make it a special one. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome. I really hope you all subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my upcoming uploads. Ingredients are given at the description box below, as always said. Now let's have a look at the ingredients what we need to make this super quick and delicious drink. Here I have 500 ml, which is half liter of very chilled milk. And this is around 1 cup of very finely chopped, they are just bit-sized pieces of watermelon. I've just removed the seeds. And this is around 3 tablespoons of Rooh Afza or the rose syrup, and this is 2 tablespoons of sugar, that's optional. And here I have taken some ice cubes to be added to the drink. And now let's begin to make the drink. And here I have taken a picture, and in that I have taken the cold chilled milk. You really don't need a mixer jar to make your work difficult. Here I have taken the Rooh Afza into the milk. I've added the Rooh Afza, ice cubes, sugar and the watermelon cubes. And now let's move towards the best part of the recipe, and that is to make this drink without a mixer jar or anything. You can just take it in a bowl or a pitcher like this or anything and just give a mix. And then here I'm giving it a good mix just because I have added sugar. You'll have to give a good mix, as chilled milk will take some time for the sugar to dissolve. And adding the sugar can totally be optional, as you can even add more of Rooh Afza if you like it to be, if you love the flavor of rose, you can make it 4 tablespoons also, or you can reduce from 3 to 2 also, and this totally depends on your choice. And now let's serve this super quick, super gorgeous and super yummy drink, Mohabbat Ka Sharbat, into the glasses. And then I'm sure by now you all must have fallen in love with this drink just by the looks, right? And when you have that watermelon scoop on the top, and then doesn't it give an extra gorgeous look to the drink? So I really want you guys to make this, as all the ingredients, I really hope you all would be having it. If not, please get it and do try it for Iftar today, and let me know if you loved it or not. And coming to our extra points, you can also serve this with a scoop of ice cream or some fresh cream on top. And do follow me on Instagram and share the pictures you have tried from my channel. I would love to share it on my feed. And do not forget to tag me there on Salwa's Delicious Kitchen. And I really hope you all have subscribed the channel till now. If not, please do. And thank you so much for watching. Take care guys. Stay home, stay safe, wear your mask whenever you go out. Let's fight this COVID together.